transformative experience focused on well-being, mindfulness, and community connection. Explore the lifestyle of the Embera community through meaningful service learning and cultural exchange. Enjoy special yoga and meditation sessions surrounded by the beauty of Panama's natural landscapes. Discover the history and charm of Casco Viejo during a guided city tour. Take part in a pottery workshop. Prepare traditional meals in a local fonda. And support community gardens through hands-on activities. Engage in educational lectures that promote personal growth and intercultural understanding. Reflect and recharge in the peaceful surroundings of Gamboa, where nature and wellness meet. Airport pickup, hotel accommodation, transportation, and all activities included. For every group of 10 students, the expenses of one faculty leader are covered. A journey of self-discovery, cultural immersion, and shared purpose. One you'll never forget.